I'm a morning person, so every other morning I love getting up, getting on my bike, and going to the nearest flea market. Today I am craving papaya, so we're going to try this really energizing papaya bowl. First, we're going to chop the papaya in half. Let's dig out the seeds. We're going to put in a few spoons of Greek yogurt. You can use sweetened or unsweetened. Then we're going to sprinkle it with oats. I'm going to put a little bit more on there. And then we're going to drop in some blackberries and some blueberries. Throw in some kiwi. And top it off with some chia seeds. If you like it sweeter, feel free to add some honey. Chi chi, chi chi, chi chi, chi kazi chi, chi kazi chi. Like, share, subscribe.